What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you quickly how to use some alpha maps. So we've got a fully textured robot-y guy right now. Actually fully textured. This isn't textured and this part here isn't, but I have a final texture for it in the actual Unreal project. So I'm going to show you how to apply alpha. So if we go find what we want first. So I have a few added and I'm going to show you how to do that in a different video. But if I write lip, I get some lipsticks, it's got like footprints and stuff. But let's say this robot's outside a club, so let's say someone came out and gave him a kiss on the side as he was patrolling, right? All you got to do, because we don't want any materials on it, it's fine. You can do this with materials, and then you got to create a black mask. But let's get the color first. Let's go for pink lipstick. Go for something like that. Go. Let's slightly raise it up off the surface. We want to make it pretty shiny. So I've obviously not done it yet. And then all you got to do is right click, black mask, click the mask, make sure the mask is clicked, click your alpha, and you can just paste it on. Now it's got a little speech on the side. And you can mess with this, to these settings, change the size of it, but like make a giant kiss him. And you can change the angle of it too. So if you have it on obviously 0, it'll be completely flat. But if you change that to an angle, you'll be able to have like that. And that is pretty much how you do some custom alphas. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope this helped somebody. Have a good one, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.